Insect macrophotography is a food for my soul. It's getting pretty cold outdoors, so it's not at all ideal to find any live insects out here. But I'm not someone to just sit indoors. I'm a storyteller, and no matter what, I'm heading out today to bring you all a story. I came to a naturalized area, hoping to find something. After looking for some time, just found this squirrel making eye contacts with me and jumping around. Then found a chickadee, which too flew away, and then a restless nuthatch doing its thing. But I am a macro guy. I tell stories about tiny details in nature and the unseen which are mostly skipped by all. So I started to look for something tiny. What I found next was something I never thought of photographing: dewdrops. But not just dewdrops, these are frozen ones. Ready to see them in more detail? Here it goes. I observed another tiny organism in one of the photos, and will go back to photograph that. Can you comment which photo had that organism?